Alright, we're in my friend's garage right now. As you can see, that's their garage door opener. The Liftmaster screwdriver. Half horsepower. When Sherry moved to her new house, to this house, she moved out of this house that used to be hers, but now my aunt is using it. So I call it my aunt's new house. Yeah, as you can see, the garage door is opened. I don't know what that garage door is. I don't know. Let me check what it is. I don't know. It's not so I'm not sure if it's a Rainer usually, I usually want to remind RGD Man about Rainer garage door openers. RGD Man loves Rainer garage door openers, right? I know the garage door is opened. I don't know what the door it is. Maybe it's a Clopay or a Rainer. Okay. And there's a light button right there, as you can see. I turned off the light. And I want to show you the outside real quick. And the light turns on when you're having the safety sensors. So here's the outside of the garage, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna close the garage door, okay? So, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's run it up one last time. That's my aunt's red car. That's the Toyota Camry. That's my aunt's Toyota Camry. Well, there is no remote it's in my friend's car. It's in my friend Sherry's car. But there is no keypad outside. See? No keypad. Okay. Now let's close it. Okay, I'm going to close the garage door one more time in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go with the closing. Woohoo! Really nice screwdriver opener. It spins really good. I just had to tie the rope right there. That's what I'm deciding to do. Okay. That's the garage door opener Liftmaster screwdriver, and I want to show you the thing he's spinning one last time with the opening. Not sure if I can get a better view. Okay, I'm gonna close the garage door, okay? One last time. There's a window out there. really nice garage. Okay. Run it again. One last time. One more time. And we'll do a final close here. My aunt's Toyota Camry. I'll zoom it in closer. See, that's my aunt's red car. What a really nice screwdriver opener. I don't know why I couldn't get it to open. That's just how this rope I attached it to. I don't know why they got a gray metal spring right there. I can hear that their garage door opener sounds different. And the garage is kind of a mess. We want to make sure to clean out our garage to park my aunt's car in the garage next time. So, okay, I'm gonna publish this video on YouTube. And check back soon. And don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Take care, everyone. Peace out.